Give him a little sample.
That's what's up right there. Oh, I know a lot.
Oh, he didn't want to get none away. He didn't want to get none away. It's going down.
Yeah, of course. Their drummer in that.
Oh, that's just sick right there now.
Louisiana, when they're in the bayou, that drummer, he's sick. He comes in for just the session. Woo! He is a good drummer. Yeah, that guy with the Hammond kills that.
That's Coolin.
Yeah. It's like, I wish he toured with him. I wish he played shows with him, but he's too good for that.
You taking a video?
Yeah. My bad. I ain't mean not to warn you.
Like weird. You guys rock that? Huh? You guys rock that? You guys do it? You got work cut out for you on that one.
Yeah. I know, right?
Lyrical AJ. Prodigy's about to get ready to play tonight.
We did,
shout out to KSU, KSU.
We did Demons.
Oh, yeah.
I had like a couple of their albums, they're great.
Uh-oh. Give him a little bit real quick. About to go down out here. He just doing sound check right now. A lot of bass coming out that moment.
I'll have to hear it first.
She said, no.
All right, that's a little bit. That's 2 minutes. It's enough for him. About to close it out. Gotta give you a little sample of that.
I'm just making sure all these making 200 directants are still working.
Zach, I didn't know you was performing tonight, man. You're a special guest?
Killing stuff.
You're a special guest, bro?
Yeah.
I just gave away a secret.
You know how it goes, right?
Yeah. Multi-talented. You got so many hats, bro. I can't keep up.
You know.
All right, that's it. Cornell Dunlap closing out. You just seen Lyrical AJ. Jimmy Jones. A couple other guests out here with him. It's going down. Kennesaw, over and out.